Python ninjas and code magicians. Today we are diving into the Python list. You know, those magical little containers where you can solve all your favorite things like your grocery list, your Netflix watch list, or the list of times you were promised to learn Python and procrastinated instead. Lists in Python are like that one friend who carries everything in their bag, snacks, keys, and sometimes even a random rock they swear in important. And just like that friend, Python lists are super versatile and always have your back. So buckle up because by the end of this video, you will know how to handle this list like a pro and impress your friend with your not so basic Python skills. Let's turn coding into comedy and learning into fun. So let's move computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing it. So let's talk about Python list and let's start. So first of all, let me tell you the syntax to create a list. The list will be created like this, okay? In the square brackets, the list has been created. You must know that. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable, okay? Lists are 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are tuple, strat, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Lists are created using square brackets like this. Now, I'm in the school, we are using the Visual Studio Code, so let me open my Visual Studio Code and let me create a one window, then I'm click on the file. I'm making one file by the name of the Python documents and create a file. And when I make my file, so I'm giving my file name like I'm giving the file like to make a file I give the file name. So to make a list, first of all you create a one variable. I'm making a one variable. Then to create a list you write like square brackets. Then in the double commas you write your figure like I'm writing apple, then banana, then cherry, and then I print this list. So our list has been printed. Like this the list has been created. Saved and so like this the list has been created. Okay. Now list items. List items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. List are indexes. The first item is index 0 and the second item is index 1 or etc. Ordered. When we say the list are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. If you add a new items to a list, the new item will be placed at the end of the list. Note that there are some list methods that will change the order, but in general, the order of the items will not change. Changeable. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change and remove items in a list after it has been created. Okay. Allow duplicate. Science lists are indexes and can be have items with the same value. So in this example, the list has been allow duplicate. So here we create here I write like apple and cherry 2 times. So it give me the output apple and cherry 2 times. So you can see it. So it allowed a duplicate values. List length. To determine how many items a list had, use the length function. If you want to determine the how many items in the list are, so to use the len item. So how to use the len item? You only want to do it right here len. First of all, write this, then len like this and like this. So save it and run it. So it give me 3. Here you can see there are 3 letters, 3 words. So it is giving me the len. So like that. List item data type. List can be of any data type, string, int, and boolean data type. Okay, it should be in any data type. Like here I define a string, here I define an integer, here I define a boolean. So it will be of any data type. Okay. Now save it and it will give me the output also. Okay. Now a list can contain different data types. A list will contain strings, integer, and booleans in the one line only. Okay, like this. Tab. From the Python perspective, the lists are defined as objects with a data type list. Here you can see it, class list. To do this, if you want to, what is the data type of a list? If you want to do it, so you only want to do it, first of all, create a list. And then in the list, you write your figures, like I'm writing apple, banana, and then cherry. And in it, we write like print type. So like tab, and then I'm writing my list name. So now it give me the type, class list. Here you can see like that you can determine the type. The list constructor. It is also possible to use the list constructor when you are creating a new list. It is also be possible. Now Here you can see it in this example, we are using the list constructor to make a list. Here you can see where we are using a list constructor, here we are using the list constructor. Okay, so like that. Or note that the double rounded brackets, okay, note down the double rounded brackets here, it is here. Save it and then run it. So it is giving me the output apple, banana, cherry, like this. So you can use the list constructor also to make a list. Pattern collection arrays. There are 4 collection data types in Python programming language. List. List is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate members. Number 2, tuple. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allow duplicate members. Number 3, set. Set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, no duplicate members. Number 4, dictionary. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered and changeable, no duplicate members. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove and or add items whenever you like. As of Python 3.7 version, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. When you are choosing a one collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of that type and choosing the right type for a particular data. Set could mean retention of meaning, and it could be mean an increase in efficiency or security. Now, this chapter has been ended by the name of Python list. So let's come on the next chapter. And our next chapter is on about how in the Python how to access the list items, how to access it. So let's learn about it. Access items. List items are indexed. You can access them by referring to the index number. How? Let me tell you. First of all, you create a list. Okay, and let's always create in the square brackets apple, banana, and then cherry. So you can determine it. First of all, you only want to do it if you want to do it, you only want to first of all write your list name, and I'm writing in 0, so it give me apple. Why? Because apple has the index 0. If I write 1, so it give me banana, because a banana has index 1. Okay, here you can see it. You can access you can print this like this. You can print your second item of a list. Note that the first item has index 0. Like here there is my apple. Okay, so the apple has index 0 because this is the first item. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means it start from the end. -1 refers to the last item and -2 refers to the second last item. If I write here -1, so it give me the cherry. It remove it the cherry. Okay, it give me the cherry. Why? Because -1 is the last item. If I write -2, so it give me the second last item, banana. So like that. Okay, if I write -3, so it give me apple because it's the third last item. So like that. Now, range of indexes. Range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When you are specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specific items. Here it return the third, fourth, and fifth item. Let me show you. First of all, in my list, I write many items, many fruit names. Then I write 2:4. So apple has index 0, banana has index 1. So cherry have index 2. So it give me cherry, then 3, then 4. It give me cherry till kiwi. Okay, it not give me till melon. It give me only till kiwi. Let me show you. Here you can see it. Why it is not including melon? The search will start at the index 0 included, and the end at index 5 not included, and end at index 5 not included. Remember that the first item starts index 0. You must be remember. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. This example returns the item from the beginning to but not including kiwi. Let me show you. Now I write minus ratio 4. Now it give me apple, banana, cherry, orange. Now apple has index 0, banana has index 1, then cherry 2, then orange 3. But it's not including kiwi. Okay. Now by leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. Now this example will return the items from the cherry to the end. Let me show you. If I write ratio 2 ratio, so now it give me cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. Why does it give me cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango? Because I said to him, skip apple and banana. Why? Because apple has index 0 and banana has index 1. Then and I write 2 ratio means from 2 any letters has been give me. Okay, so from 2 there is orange, kiwi, melon, mango. It give me all the letters. This example returns the item from the cherry to the end. Okay, because cherry have the index 2. Okay, so that's fine. Now, range of negative indexes. Specify the negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the list. Now, in the example, it returns the items from orange -4 to, but not including a mango -1. Now, let me show you why I write -4 ratio -1. So, it is giving it give me the output shall be orange, kiwi, melon, because from the starting it remove with the apple index 0, banana index 1, and then 2, then 3. Okay, it remove with the apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, then when it has been removed, so in the end it is removed with the mango. Why? Because I write like ratio -1. So that way I remove with the mango also, that it is giving me orange, kiwi, melon. Now let's come down. Check if item exit. Means check if item exit means to determine if a specific item is present in a list, you can use a in keyword. Check if apple is present in the list. If you want to check the apple is present in the list, so first of all you create a list, and to create a list, first of all you create a one variable by any name of variable like this list or my list. I create a one variable by the name of this list. In it I write three items: apple, banana, cherry. Then I write here if statement, then I write here apple. What I write here? I write apple. Then I write in keyword this list, means apple is in our list. I said and then in the third line I say yes, apple is in the fruit list. So give me yes, apple is in the fruit list. So if I write here melon, should not give me any output. Why? Because melon is not in our list, so that's why it is giving me nothing output. But if I add here melon also, so now it give me the output. Save it, and then so now it is giving me the output. Here you can see it. Why? Because I have added the melon, so that's why. So like that you can do it. So this chapter has been also be ended by the name of in the pattern how to access the list items. So let's go on our third chapter, and now let's see what is our third chapter. So let's close this chapter. So our third chapter is about in the pattern how to change the list items. So let's start and let's talk about it. Change item value. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. In this example, we are changed our second item. To change the item, you only want to do it. First of all, you create a list. I'm giving my list name to be my list, and in it I write apple, banana, and then cherry. Then I'm writing my list name, and then I'm writing here 1. Then I'm writing here my fruit name like mango. I'm saying replace banana with mango. Why I do not write here banana, but I write index number like apple as index 0 and banana as index 1. So I write here index 1. So I say replace banana with mango, and then I'm printing my list. So let's see the output of it. Save it and run it. So it give me apple, mango, cherry. So like that you can change the list item, or if you want to change the item index 0, means first if you want to change the first item of a list, so I write index 0 and I set apple to a mango, so it give me mango, banana, cherry. So like that. If you want to change the two items, you do it also like my list, and like that you can write like 2 equals to watermelon. So it gave me apple, I'm writing apple, mango, and watermelon. You can see like that you can change the two items also. Like that you can change your items, change your item value. Okay, like that you can change your item value. Change the range of item values. To change the value of item within a specific range, define a list with a new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert a new values. In the example, we are changed the values banana, cherry with the values black currant and watermelon. Okay, here I am changing now I'm changing here my two items. Okay, for banana, cherry. Okay, I'm changing this two items. So let's see the output of it. Okay, so let's see the output of it. Save it and run it. So now it's give me apple, black currant, watermelon. Why does it give me apple, black currant, and watermelon? Because I write, first of all, I create a one list, and in it I write many fruit names, and then I write my list name one more time. Then I write index number like 1:3 means banana till cherry. Okay, then I write replace banana with blackcurrant and cherry with watermelon. So that's why it is giving me apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, orange, kiwi, mango. So like that, you can change the values banana and cherry with the values blackcurrant and watermelon. If you insert more items than you replace, the new item will be inserted where you specify, and remaining item will be moved accordingly. So in the example, we change our second value by replacing it with two new values. Now save it and run it. So now it is giving me apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, and cherry. Why it is giving me apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, and cherry? First of all, I create a list apple, banana, cherry. So apple has apple index 0, banana index 1, cherry index 2. So then when we write it, then I create a list. I write my list name, then ratio 1:2. When I write 1:2, so banana it replaces with blackcurrant, and then I added a one new item watermelon. Okay, what I added a one new item watermelon, so it will be added the watermelon in the index 2, and the cherry will be moved forward. Okay, so that's why it is going like this. So like that, you can insert a more item than you replace. The new item will be inserted where you specific, and the remaining item will be moved accordingly. Note that the length of a list will change when the number of items inserted does not match the number of items replaced. If you insert less items than you replace, the new item will be inserted where you specify, and the remaining item will be moved accordingly. Now in the example, we are change the second and third value of replacing it one value. Okay, means we are changing our first and second value by replacing it watermelon. Now I create a one list, and apple has index 0, banana has index 1, and cherry has index 2. Then I write my list name one more time. Then I write here 1:3. So now mean 1:3 means banana till cherry. So it gave me apple, then banana will replace it with watermelon, and cherry will also be replaced with watermelon. Let me show you. So here you can see apple and watermelon. It is giving me only apple and watermelon. Here you can see it. So like that, you can change your second and third value by replacing it with one value. Okay. So like that. Insert items. To insert an item without replacing any of exacting values, we can use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at a specific index. In this example, we insert a watermelon as a third item. Okay, how we insert a watermelon as a third item? Because I create one list by the name of this list, and in it I write three figures: apple, banana, cherry, and then I write my list name, and then I write dot insert, and then I write 2, then I write watermelon, and then I print my list. So let's see the output. So now it is giving me in the output, it is giving me apple, banana, watermelon, cherry. Why it is giving me apple, banana, watermelon, cherry? Because I write 2. I write 2 means in the index 2 you give me the watermelon. So apple has index 0, banana has index 1, and watermelon has index 2. So in the index 2 it give me the watermelon. If I write here index 0, so in the first it give me watermelon. Here you can see it. So like that you can do it. As note that as a result of the example above, the list will show the list will now contain 4 items. Let me show you. So here you can see it. So like that, you can change your list items. Okay, change your list items. Okay. So now let's this chapter has been also be ended very easily. So let's come up with one more chapter. And one more chapter is on about Python add a list items. So let's see how to add a list items in Python. So let's see about it. Append items. Append means add. To add an item to the end of the list, use the append method. In the example, we are using the append method to append an item, means add an item. So first of all, we create our list. Okay, first of all, you create our list like this, or you can create a list any name of your list. Then I am writing banana, and then cherry. Then I am writing my list name. Then I am writing dot append. Then in it I am writing orange, means I am saying add a orange in our list, and then I am printing my list. Now, any fruit name you will be added in your list. It is your own choice. I write orange. So now it give me apple, banana, cherry, and orange. Here you can see like that. Using append method, you can add items to your list. Now, insert item. This first method I've told you about append method. Now second method is insert items. To insert a list item at a specific index, use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at a specific index. In this example, we insert an item at the second position. In this example, here we use the first of all I create a one variable by the name of this list. In it I write three figures: apple, banana, and cherry. Then I write my list name. Then I write dot insert method, and then I write in the index 1. In the index 1, add a orange. So it give me in the index 1, it give me the orange. Let me show you, save it and run it. So the output will become apple orange. Why it is giving me in the index 1, why it is giving me orange? In the index 1, it is not. Why it is giving me orange? Because I write here 1. So that's fine. So if I write here 2, so in the index 2, it will give me the orange. Here you can see in the index 2, it is giving me the orange. So like that you can do it. Note that as a result of examples above, the list will contain 4 items. Okay, here you can see it. Now extend list. To append item elements from another list to the current list, you can use the extend method. Okay, there is one more method to append elements, extend method. In the example, we are add the elements of tropical 1 to tropical to this list. Means first list I create a one name. Here I'm adding a list. Here I'm add elements of tropical to this list. So to do this, you only want to create your first list. I am creating my first list by the name of this list. In it, I am writing apple, banana, then cherry, and then I am creating one more list by the name of tropical, and then in it I am writing like mango, then watermelon, and then papaya. Now I want to add these all the elements in one list. So to do this, first of all you write your first list name, and then write extend, and then you write here your second list item, second list name, and then you will be print your list. Now save it, and it give me apple, banana, cherry, mango, watermelon, papaya. So our two lists has been combined, means extend together. So like that, the elements will be added to the end of the list. Add any iterable. The extend method does not have to append list. You can add any iterable object, tuples, lists, shares, dictionaries, or etc. In the example, I am add a list elements of a tuple to a list. In this example, here I add a elements to a tuple to a list. Here I create a one list first of all by the name of this list. Then I create a one tuple. Then I write my list name. Then dot extend method. Then I write my tuple. So then the tuple and list has been combined together. Here you can see it. So like that you can do this also. Okay, you will be combined. You can extend your tuple and list together. So our this chapter has been also be ended by the name of add a list items. So let's come on over another chapter, and our another chapter is on about in the Python how to remove a list item. So let's talk about how to remove a list items in the Python. So let's start and let's talk about it. Remove a specific item. The remove method removes the specific item. In the example, I remove the banana. To remove the banana, I only want to do it. First of all, I create a list. In it, I am writing my list name. Then in it, I writing apple, banana, and then cherry. Now I am writing my list name. Then dot remove method. So I want to do it. I want to remove banana. So I write dot remove method. Then in it, in double commas, I write banana. So then I print my list name. I write in the print section, I write my list name. So now it give me apple, cherry only. Why? Because I have removed the banana. So like that you can do it. If there are more than one item with a specific value, the remove method remove the first occurrence. In this example, I am remove the first occurrence of banana. So do this like here you can see it. I am removing the first occurrence of the banana, means that here I write two bananas, first banana and second banana, but it will remove the first occurrence banana. Here you can see it not remove the second occurrence of banana. Here you can see it. It not remove the second occurrence of banana. It remove the first occurrence of banana. Here you can see it. Now remove the specific index. The pop method remove the specific index. The pop method can remove the second item. means specific index. Like using pop method, you first of all you create a list name, list, and then the list will be always created in the double commas. Okay, sorry, in the square bracket, then banana, then cherry. To do this, you only want to do it. You write your this list, and then when you created the list dot pop method, in it you write 1. Means I want to remove the index 1. Means I want to remove banana. Means the banana's index 1. So I write here index 1. So now it remove with the banana. Here you can say apple, cherry. It is giving me. If I say I wanted to remove apple, because I write here index 0, so it will be removed with the apple. Give me only banana and cherry. So like that you can the pop method remove the specific index. If we do not specify the index, the pop method remove the last item also. Means if we do not specify the index, so it will remove your last letter. Okay, let me show you. So you can see it. It only giving me apple and banana. It had been removed with the last item. Okay, so like that. Now the dial keyword. Dial keyword also remove the specific index. Means you can using the dial keyword you can remove the first item also. You can do this using the dial keyword also. Okay, using a specific keyword, save it and run it. So now it is giving me banana and cherry only. So here you can see it. So using dial keyword you can also be remove the specific index. Okay, remove the dial keyword, also remove the specific index. The dial keyword can also delete the list completely. Okay, in the example I delete the entire list. Means dial keyword will be also delete the entire list completely. Let me show you. To do this, you only want to write like this. So now it remove your all list. So you can say why it is giving you the error. It is giving me the error. Why? Because our list has been deleted completely. Entire our list has been deleted. So what type of output they give me? So it is giving me this list is not found. So like that. Now clear the list. Now the clear method empties the list. The list will still remains, but it has no content. Means using dial keyword you can do this, but it will give you the error when you run it. Okay, because the list has been not not survive. But using the clear method empties the list. But the list will remain, but it has no content. Let me show you. The list will remain, but there is a no any not and no content in it. Let me show you. So you can see it. There's no any content. Using clear method you can also complete your list. Completely not completed you can remove your only your elements. Okay, not completely list. So here you can see it. This chapter has been also been ended by the name of how to remove a list items. So let's come on it our another chapter, and our another chapter is on about how to remove in the past and how to loop a list. So let's talk about how to loop a list, and then we talk about list comparison, let's sort a list, then we talk about a copy a list, and then we talk about join a list, and then we end the video. Okay, so let's talk about it now. Loop a list. Loop through a list. You can loop through a list items by using a for loop. In this example, we print our all items in the list one by one. Okay, in this we print our all items in one by one because we used here for loop for x and in this list. So it give me my item one by one like this. Using for loop, you can do this. Okay, you can loop through your list. Learn more about for loops in our Python for loop chapter. Loop through the index number. You can also loop through the list items by referring to their index number. Use the range and len function to create a suitable iterable. In this example, we print our all items by referring to their index number. In this example, let me show you. Save it and run it should give me like this. Okay. Now, the iterable created in the example above is 0, 1, 2 using a while loop. You can loop through the list items by using a while loop. Use the len function to determine the length of a list, then start at a 0 and loop your way through the list item by referring to their indexes. Remember to increase the index by 1 after each iteration. In this example, we print our all items using a while loop to go through all the index number. Let me show you. Save, copy it and paste it. Save it and so now it is giving me like this. Same output it is giving me. Okay. Learn more about while loops in our Python while loop chapter. Looping using a list comparison. List comparison offers the shortest syntax for looping through a list. In the example, this is a one shortened for loop that will print all items in a list. Okay, this in the one line we do this also. Okay, in the one line. Now let me show you. Save it and then run it. So the output will be coming here. You can see it. In the one line you can also be do this. Learn more about list comparison in the next chapter of list comparison. Okay, so our this chapter has been also be ended by the name of loop, how to loop a list. So let's come on over one more chapter by the name of in the Python what a list comparison. So let's talk about it. So guys, let's talk about list comparison. So list comparison offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. In this example, based on a list of fruits, you want a new list containing only the fruits with a letter A in the name. Without list comparison, you will have to write a for statement with a conditional test inside. So this is one example. Now let me copy this example and let me paste it here. In this example, first of all, we create a one list, okay, then now let me save it in. So now it will give me apple, banana, mango like this. So now why did it give me this? Let me see. Okay. Now let me do this here. Okay, let me close it. Now it is like this. Now first of all, here we create a one list, okay, and in this list I write apple, banana, cherry, kiwi and mango. Then I create a one new list by the name of new list, and in it I write square brackets. Then I write like for action fruits, and then I write if statement. Then in the double commas I write a in x. Now I write my new list name, and then I write dot append. So then I say print new list. So when I save it in a, so now it is giving me output apple, banana, mango like this. Now with list comparison, you can do all that with only one line of code. Okay, with list comparison, you can do that all the things in the one line. Copy it and paste it. Here you can say in that here we are doing that all the thing in the one line. Here you can see it. Right, like new, we first of all create a one list, and then I write x for x in fruits if a is next. So I write this, then I save it and then run it. So now it is giving me apple, banana, mango. So like that you can do it. The syntax, this one syntax. The return value is a new list, leaving the old list unchanged. Condition. A condition is like a filter that only accept the item that evaluate to true. In this example, it is only accept items that are not apple. Okay, so let me show you the example. So let me click on the try it yourself. Then I paste this code. So now it gave me apple, banana, cherry, and kiwi and mango. So like that. So now it is giving me banana, cherry, kiwi and mango. Why? Because I have removed the apple. Because I write here apple, so that's why the apple has been removed. If I write here cherry, so it will be remove the cherry. Here you can see it give me only apple, banana, kiwi and mango. So like that. Now the condition if x equals to apple will return true for all elements other than apple, making the new list contain all fruits except apple. The conditional is optional and can be omitted. Example with no if statement. This is one example with a no if statement. Okay, so let's run this example. In this example, we do not use any if statement, so the output will be coming like apple, banana, cherry, kiwi and mango. Because this is one example of the if because this example with a no if statement. Iterable. The iterable can be any iterable object list like a list, tuple, set or etc. Now in this example you can use the range function to create an iterable. Okay, in this example, now let me click on the try draw self and let me copy and paste it. So now it gives me the number till 10. Why it give me the number till 10? Because I write here range 10. If I write here range 100, so it give me the number till 100. So here you can see it like that. You can do it. Now same example but with a condition. In this example, it is only accept only numbers lower than 5. Okay, it only accept a number that is lower than 5. Let me show you. Save it and run it. So now it is giving me 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because I said it give me only that number that is lower than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it is the lower than 5. So it is giving me only the lower than 5 numbers. Expression. The expression is the current item in the iteration, but it is also the outcome, which you can manipulate before it ends up like a list item in a new list. In this example, it set the values in the new list to uppercase. Let me show you. Now let me run this code. Now save it and then run it. So the output will be coming apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango, and all and this our all the list item is coming in the uppercase. Why? Because I use the uppercase method. You can set the outcome to whatever you like. Set all values in the new list to hello. So here we are setting our all the list items in the to hello. Okay, so the all item will become in the hello. Apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango, it all come in the hello. So you can say it give me a hello, 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 hello. So like that you can also be do it. You will be set your all items, set your all values in the new list to hello. The expression can also contain conditions, not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. In this example, it written a orange instead of banana. Let me show you. So now it give me the outputs will be the output will become banana orange instead of banana. Let me show you. Save it and then run it. So you can see apple, orange, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. It is giving me instead of banana, it is giving me orange. Okay, because I replace banana with orange, so that's why it is giving me only orange. Oh sorry, that's why it is giving me orange. The expression in this example above says the return the item if it's not banana, if it is banana, return orange. So our this chapter has been also be ended by the name of list comparison. So let's come on to our next chapter, and our next chapter is about in the Python word sort list. How to sort a list? So let's talk about it. Sort list alphanumerically. List objects have a sort method that will sort the list alphanumerically, ascending by default. In this example, we sort the list alphabetically. So now it gives me the letters in the alphabetically, like it is giving me banana, kiwi, mango, orange, pineapple. Why it is giving me banana, kiwi, or mango, orange, pineapple? But I write orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple, banana. But why it is giving me banana, kiwi, mango, orange, pineapple? Because B is come first. In B is very first come in our alphabetical, like A to Z, like A B. Then B is come. Then C D E F G H I J K. Then K will become K for kiwi, and then A B C D E F G H I J K L M. Then M will become M for mango. Then A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Then Q R sorry A B C D E F G H I J K. Then L M N O. Then O for oranges is coming, so it give me the orange. Then O R P. Then P is coming, so it give me the pineapple. So like that, it give me the sort the list alphabetically. So you can solve the list alphanumerically also. So it give me the ascending to descending. Okay, so it give me 23. It is the lowest number. Then 50. It is the lowest number. This is the greater than number from 50. Then 50 is greater than 50 is smaller than 65. Then 65 is smaller than 82. Then 82 is smaller than 100. So it give me the answer in the smaller to greater. Okay. It sort the list it sort the list numerically. Sort descending. To sort the descending, use the keyword argument reverse equals to true. In this example, it sort the list descending. Okay. In this example, it is sort the list descending. Let me show you. So now it give me sort the list in descending, like pineapple, orange, mango, kiwi, banana. Why? Because in the last the P will become, then P, then orange, O for orange, then come, then M, then K, in the last the banana is coming. So it give me the sort the list descending. So now it is also be here it is solving the list descending. So it give me 100, then 82, then 65, then 50, then 23. Here you can see it is sort the list descending. Okay, list descending. Customize sort function. You can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key equals to function. The function will return a number that will use to sort the list the lowest number first. In this example, it sort the list based on how close the number is to 50. Let me show you. Save it and paste it. Now run it. So now it give me 50, 65, 23, 82 and 100. Why did it give me 50, 65, 23, 82 and 100? Because in this example, we sort the list based on how close the number is to 50. So the 23 is 65 is very near to 50, then 23 is very near to 50, then 82 is very near to 50, then 100 is very near to 50. Case insensitive sort. By default, the sort method is a case sensitive, resulting in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. In this example, the case sensitive sorting can give an unexpected result. Let me show you. Case sensitive sorting can give an unexpected result. Let me show you. When I paste it, save it and run it, so now it give me kiwi, orange, banana, cherry. Then now when I run it one more time, so it is giving me kiwi, orange, banana, cherry. Why it is giving me kiwi, banana, orange, cherry? Because in the kiwi the K is capital and in the orange the O is capital. So that's why it give me K, kiwi and orange first. Okay, means that case sensitive sorting can give an unexpected result. If I remove O, if I do O in the small letter, so now it give me kiwi first, then and I don't know what it give me now. It give me kiwi, banana, cherry, orange. You can see it. So like that you can do it. Now luckily we can use built-in function as key function when you are sorting a list. So if you want a case sensitive sort function, use the str.lower as a key function. In this example, we perform a one case sensitive sort of the list. In this example, paste it, save it and run it. So now it give me banana, cherry, kiwi, orange. Why did it give me banana, cherry, kiwi, orange? Because this perform in a case insensitive sort of the list, reverse order. What if you want to reserve the order of a list regardless of the alphabet? The reverse method reserves the current sorting order of the elements. In the example, where we reverse the order of the list item in this example. Now let me copy it and paste it. Save it and output will be coming cherry, kiwi, orange, and then banana. Okay, why this type of an output will be coming? Because in this example we reverse the order of the list item, so it give me the all the items in the reverse. Okay, in this list there are banana, orange, kiwi, cherry is coming, but it is giving me cherry, kiwi, orange, banana because it reversed the order of the list item. So in today's video I told you about in the Python how to sort a list. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the notification bell also. So sorry, all the notification bell also. So let's come on our next chapter, and next chapter is about copy a list. So let's talk about it. So now this is our second last topic. You cannot copy a list simply by typing list2 equals to list1, because list2 will only be a reference to list1, and changes made in list1 will automatically also be made in list2. Use the copy method. You can use the built-in list method copy to a copy a list. In this example, we make a copy of a list with a copy method. Let me show you. Here we use the copy method to copy a list like apple, banana, cherry. So like that you can copy your list using a copy method. Use the list method. Another way to make a copy is to use the built-in method list. Make a copy of a list with the list method. Let me show you. You can also make a copy of a list using the list method. So like this. Okay. Here we are using our list method. Use the slice operator. You can also make a copy of a list by using the slice operator. Here we are make a copy of a list with the slice operator, and this is called a slice operator. Okay. 700. So like that you can also make your make a copy of a list with a slice operator. So this chapter has been also be ended. So let's come to our last chapter, and our last chapter is about how to join a list in Python. So let's talk about it. Join two lists. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest way are used by using the plus operator. In this example, we are joining two lists. Okay, in this example, I am joining a two list. First of all, I create one list. By in the list one, I am writing A, B, and then C. Then I am creating one more list. In it, I am writing one. I am writing 1, 2, 3, and then I am concatenating our list 1 and list 2 by using the plus operator. Okay, then when I do this, so to do this you only want to create your list 3 also to perform this. Okay, list 3, then you print your list 3. So your list 1 and list 2 will become a concatenate. So now it gave me list 3. Save it and run it. So now it will give me A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. So like that you can concatenate join your two list. Another way to join two lists is by appending all the items from list 2 into list 1 by one. In the example, we append our list 2 into list 1 in this example. Save it and run it. So now it will give me A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So like that you can also do this. Is okay, like that you can append list 2 into list 1, or you can use extend method where the purpose is to add elements from one list to another list. In the example, we use the extend method to add a list 2 at the end of a list 1. Now copy it and paste it. save it and then run it. So now it is giving me the output. Save it and then run it. So now it give me ABC and 123. So like that you can, using extend method, you can also do the same thing. Okay. So this video is all about the pattern list, and I told you all the things I've told you about the pattern list, all the things which a beginner has needed. I told you all the things about pattern list, and this our complete roadmap has been successfully has been ended about the pattern list. So I hope you enjoy this course. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future latest videos about the pattern list. So now let me meet you in the next slide, but now let's give me the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come out to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video of the pattern list. So let's give the outro of this video. That's it for today coding adventure. Now you know how to build the cool stuff that make your project stand out like a shining star. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding fun. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't worry about bugs. They are just a little challenges to make you stronger. See you in the next video. Bye bye.